Hi, I'm Grant Rogers from Creative Video YYC. This is Video Tips in 60 Seconds. Today, I'm talking about video timing. There are reasons that commercials are only 15 to 30 seconds long. So it's important in creating a video that you follow some basic principles. Most promotional videos I do are under 60 seconds. However, there are some exceptions to the rule. First is if you're entertaining, and that's a big if. Then you can keep going as long as, well, you can entertain. Secondly is if you're teaching somebody or informing people about a subject or a need, then you can go longer, but it is a balancing act. Once you figure out what kind of video you're doing and why you're doing it, formulate a script word for word, then say it out loud with a stopwatch. You will be surprised at how quickly time passes. If you don't want to follow an exact script, then write bullet points and follow them. This is more difficult to stay on time, but can be done if you practice it out loud. When it comes to promo videos, shorter is often better. Next time I want to talk about creating effective scripts. I'm Grant Rogers from Creative Video. God bless. Hidden tip. Just to let you know, I use a teleprompter, which gives me the ability to look right through the words right into the camera. Another way to achieve this is by setting your camera further back, then zoom your lens into you. Then you can take your script and put it right under the camera lens and follow along.